guys, so we do have the LG G5 and we just want to do a quick little unboxing here and first look at the device. This should have come quite a few days ago actually, but apparently my order was cancelled, but nobody actually informed me, so I've had to go and buy this in the actual shop. And I'm very excited actually to check this one out. This is a big phone for LG in 2016. So far the feedback has been a bit mixed in regards to the device, but I'm going to reserve judgment until I see what it's all about here. So we can just get it open, see how it is. I think we do have one seal here that we do need to open. So we can just get this open, and or is it one of those? Yeah, so it's better to do with your fingers kind of thing. So let's get this out. And this is a weird box. Wow, I probably could have done this better. So you just slot it out. Here I am struggling, and I could have just slotted it out. So you do see the one of the friends here, the removable battery, which is nice. And how do I get this? Okay, I'm kind of flummoxed. What am I doing? Am I going sideways? I don't know what I'm doing. Wow. You see, I'm struggling, and all I have to do is just lightly open it up. Definitely not one of my best unboxings, but still, very nice presentation here. So we can just have a look here at the good stuff. Wow, that feels nice. And there's a very nice silver colour here. The grey one looked a little bit boring for me, so I wanted to check out the silver boy, and you can see it does look very nice indeed. 5.3 inches, so a little bit smaller than the G4, and typical of other boxes, you do get your manual, a charging adapter, and some earphones here, which I'm assuming could be some good ones, knowing LG. They don't skimp when it comes to these. And I think there's an offer on as well, at least where I am. If you buy the LG, you can get some nice B&O headphones or earphones, so definitely worth checking out. SIM tool as well, very nice. So put all that to the side, and we can have a look here at the main boy. Let's get it open. So oh yes, that feels nice. So the big hoo-ha in regards to this phone is that it's plastic covered with metal apparently, and some people were thinking it's just metal all around, which that would probably have been nicer. So I think we've got plastic down here as well. Nearly had a heart attack for a second there. Thought my device was all scuffed up, but it is actually plastic. Hardly seems worthwhile putting plastic on the edges, to be honest. But you can see very nice construction here. But these annoying little bits of plastic, very annoying if you ask me. And it won't get off my finger. Very nice looking display, obviously very edge to edge. Fingerprint scanner on the back, as LG does like to do, and something here which should be some fun. That's nice. So does it? So that is very interesting. And can you take the battery off here? I'm not sure actually. Probably not going to go yanking things off before I even know, how to use it. It seems to slot in quite nice, So let's just power it on here and see the display, which I think is IPS LCD. Where's my LG music? Seems that all manufacturers have gotten rid of their distinctive startup music. So life's good, eh? Android is starting. Feels quite light actually. The back kind of reminds me of R2-D2, if I'm to be honest. Might need a case for that, but we're in. So very well, decent in terms of the speed. We can just go through this quite quick. Whoa. So put my password in. And I don't know if it's the fact that I've got a silver variant here, but it looks like there's a black border going around it because of like this black kind of styling here, which I'm not too sure about. Skip, skip, skip. Yes. Skip. Very nice. LG. I remember all this. And we're in. So this is the LG G5 here, and no app drawer. I was expecting this. Let's have a look at the for the displays on the maximum brightness here, which is good, and we do have the Friends Manager, backup, clock, app updates. So it looks nice and smooth here, this particular OS, or skin as you want to call it, but it is very different, compared to what we're used to, what we're running. Are we running Marshmallow? Where do I go? Is it here? Software. So Android 6.0.1. Very nice. But yeah, I'll definitely do some looking at the device here, seeing how it is, checking out that wide angle camera as well, which should be something quite interesting. I think you put it on using this. Whoa, that's awesome. Look at that. That is awesome. It just gets everything in. Can't do that on your Galaxy. And also there's some other things you can do with the device as well, which you can't do on the Samsung. But yeah, as I said, I will do some comparisons, speed tests, etc. So do stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.